everybody. I am Joy Bailey. I'm the Mortgage Boss. And today, y'all gonna hate me. I have talked to you guys about down payments. I have talked to you guys about, where to get the down payment money from. I have talked to you guys about having the best possible credit to increase your opportunities of that pre-approval. The one thing I ain't talked to you about, though, is where we go wrong when it comes to our affordability. The debt to income ratio is your income that you have coming in versus the money that you have going out for bills that show up on your credit report. The biggest thing that I see on the credit report that messes people up is not student loans. It's not student loan debt. The biggest thing that I see that is messing up people in terms of what their affordability is for a home is that BMW, sis. Okay? It's the cars that everybody is driving. We out here earning the money. You can afford the car. That's not the problem. We're out here earning the money, grinding, going to work, got side hustles, and all of that. That car payment is ruining your life as it pertains, anyway, to getting a home loan. I was playing around with some numbers, and I shared this on my IG stories, and it's just something that I wanted to, quite frankly, just open a conversation about and get you to kind of thinking about what you need to do in order to prepare to purchase a home. Don't buy the car. Get the house first. I know you might need a car. I know, trust me, I need a car. Everybody does. We've been there, done that. We live in Charlotte, most of us that's watching this. We don't have a public transit system where you could hop on the subway and get where you're going. We don't, so you have to have a car. But I want you to be mindful of what kind of car you're buying if you're wanting to purchase a home. You can always trade in a car later on. Always, always, always. You can always go get another one at a later date. Get the house first. Why is that important? Roughly, for every $400 in a car, that's going to translate to about $100,000 in a house purchase price. Okay? The difference between you getting a Nissan Altima and a BMW 3 Series could very well be the house that you want to live in versus the house now that you can afford because you got the BMW instead of the Altima. $400 is not a lot of money if it's something that you like. It doesn't hurt when you're making that $800 a month car payment. That's fine. It hurts when you can't move to that neighborhood that, you would drive past and be like, oh, I like those houses over there. It hurts when, you've done everything right. You got great job, got, great income, you got credit, but you don't on paper afford the house that you hoped to afford. You're paying $2,000 in rent. So in theory, you should be able to afford $2,000 in mortgage, right? Which a $2,000 mortgage is going to be roughly, no, I'm lying. Yeah, roughly a $2,000 mortgage is going to be like a $350,000 home, something like that. I want you to understand that it's the car that is killing you, not anything else. These car payments, that's $700, $800. I pulled a credit report. I've seen them as high as $1,000. It makes a huge difference in where you can live, the kind of house you can live in, how old the house is, the upgrades that you can get when you're building a house is holding you back. That's just my advice. That's just what I see. This is just an observation. And it's something that just quite frankly had to be said. Stop buying these cars before you get the house. I said it before and I say it again. You can choose to do whatever it is that you want to do. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm telling you what to do. Get the house, then go get the car. Because the BMW people or the Lexus people or whatever your, car brand choice is, they don't care nothing about how much bills you got. We do. We care very deeply because we're going to limit how much we're going to lend to you based upon your debt to income ratio. If you come to us last after getting the car and after getting all the credit card debt and everything, the answers that you're going to get from us, while you may qualify, is not going to be very favorable. So the reason that you can afford the $2,000 in rent, but you won't be able to get $2,000 mortgage to translate to the really, really nice house is the car. Please, 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 as your takeaway, buy the house first. Leave the car on the car lot. It's going to be there. I promise you. Matter of fact, go get the car after you sign on the dotted line. Do whatever you want. But do what you need to do to get the house that you deserve. You're working hard. I'm telling you, you deserve that house. But just do things in the order that the bank needs to have it done. House, then the car. That car of your dreams that you flexing on the ground, riding around and getting it, it's costing you your dream home. $400 car payment equals $100,000 in a house. Y'all have a good day.